Okay, guys, marble dye with bleach. That's gonna be something else. Well, first of all, what you needed? You needed to do it outside because you know Clorox when it's evaporate create gases which is really toxic, and you don't want to poison yourself. It means you do need good mask. I'm gonna use my N95. I already have video where to get it and why it's so good. Gloves, I cannot find my big heavy duty gloves. I have to buy another one, long one. No, well, in this case I will triple that one. I will make it as fast as possible, like about 10-15 minutes I'm done, because I have bronchitis problem. I cannot breathe in that Clorox. And again, outside only. If you don't have ability to do outside, forget about open window. It's probably not gonna happen unless you have ability to close your door of your bathroom and keep that window open for a whole day after you're done with this job. Well, let's see. You need because I'm doing outside on my garden table. Well, I just put super heavy duty trash bag. Make sure you have trash bag. I don't even, because Clorox, I'm afraid of Clorox so much, but I don't even want to use that swimming pool, that pet swimming pool what I got on garage sale for a purpose of my making my dyeing fabrics, dyeing garments videos, and already did a few of them and much more, dozen more coming with different techniques and different dyes and how to dye it and different patterns. But anyway, in this case, I'm doing outside and it's going to be very fast one, 10-15 minutes I'm done. No, well, that's why I just decide to do not even waste under Clorox that swimming pool, because I have to really clean it after that. I will just put heavy duty garbage bag under. Make sure size of that bag. It's really heavy duty. It came from Costco. Well, it's the biggest one. They have it for big, huge trash cans. And, well, make sure size, because, again, I am a big woman. My side of my T-shirt is big. It's still big. For me, it's a new one. For you, it's, I just recut this. I just got off crew neck, and make lady look like neck. Just rounded neck around it. I have special video about it. Right above my talking right corner, press it. Click on it and it will take you to that video how I did it, because I told you already in several videos and I keep telling you what men's garment better quality as ladies. You have better chance to buy online medium or heavy cotton men's shirt, and that's going to be your perfect t-shirt, favorite one of all, very form for especially for winter and fall season. Well, that's let's start it. And well, that's what I need. What else? What else? I keep forgetting. Right here, shampoo. We're gonna use shampoo. Just $3, any cheap shampoo. For my size, make sure what size of that area what you're gonna do this Clorox marble dye. It's gonna be enough to put size of your big t-shirt, whatever size of your garment is. What is going to be in my corners, as you can see a little bit here off, it's fine. In this case, I'm not going to dye these corners because I don't want to be completely, I want like randomly marble. No, well, if some pieces don't fit here, it's fine with me. And well, shampoo I'm using, because I'm, again, big size of garment, I'm using 3 bottles of it. And of course, Clorox. Of course, Clorox. I'm choosing this bottle because I'm not gonna put in a dripping bottles. I'm gonna just splash from, make it easy, splash from this, make it easy and fast. No, well, okay, it's $3 again, $3, except mask and garment. You can just, if you're not sure about your try-ins, I'm not sure, but I'm risking that t-shirt because I know I always can switch. If I don't like it, I can switch, put some other dyes over it and make it the way what I like. But if you're not sure completely, do not use your new garment. Use your old one and see what happened until you collect right experience. Okay, guys, let's do it. Alright, that's how my shampoo mess look like. I just spread it by hands as evenly as I can. If garbage bags are come folds like that, it's okay. It will be not even. That's what marble about. No, well, that's all good. Count every step you do in this job. And because I'm living on the hills, as you can see, ground is very hilly. No matter what we do, it's always furniture, buildings, everything leaning one way. And as you can see, my shampoo already sliding there on that corner. No, well, I kind of have to make sure I do it before all of it slide down. Well, kind of make sure what you're gonna do all these things whenever you want to do fast, because otherwise I'm taping, you don't have to tape. No, well, that's why make sure you count every step before you put Clorox and start really done. Prepare place to rinse right away, because if you're gonna keep your garment on the Clorox too long, it's gonna be white stains, bleached out, and nothing but white. I don't want to get to white. I want to just Clorox just start. I will watch if it's less than 10 minutes is less. What I want to do, I actually want, see how it's just sliding off my shampoo one way. I have to keep it down because I'm taping. It's kind of losing my time here. Well, anyway, it's what I want to say. If I keep too long on this stuff on, just impossible. It's sliding so fast, this liquid. Well, anyway, if I keep too long on Clorox, it's gonna be too white, and I don't want too white. I want like yellowish stains. So, well, I have to watch it and do cut that time when it's torn exactly color what I want, and get out of it and hose it off. Prepare it. It don't have to be hot water, just hose it off. I will throw on my metal chair already prepared with hose, and that's what I do. You can do on the fence, you can do on the grass, you can do just on the stones on your driver. Just you really have to hose it off, and after that you have to immediately drop because you have to get rid of Clorox right away, because Clorox still will be in fibers. No, well, you have to throw in a washer. I cannot because my washer is busy washing something else right now. No, well, I will do what I will do. I will dip in a pot, in a deep pot or bucket, what I have there, and well, just rinse it like 10 times with some soaps, with some liquid. I suggest liquid dishwasher soap, and rinse it, and keep rinsing. And yes, you have to wash it on a 2 rinsing in a washer after all with again dishwashing liquid to make sure all Clorox is gone from your garment, or 2 washings. Put on the 2 washings, or at least 1 washing with 2 rinsing. It must be. Okay, my big boy again barking again. All right, now well, let's do it. And how to do Clorox I will explain to you in a second. Here we go, here it comes. Just like that. Splashing all over, as you can see it's a lot of here. And I'm holding phone with one hand, and I'm doing all this splashing with others. And on the top of it, I want some pattern going on. Well, what I do, I got comb again, Dollar Tree comb, and I'm gonna do some lines like that. I'm gonna make sure what I want some pattern going on. I do want some pattern going on. I can feel already from my combing some Clorox splash towards me. Now, well, be careful. Don't do it intense like I do. And I have an apron on me. No, I'll always have an apron. Have to put phone and put my shirt on. Guys, here what a mess. Well, as you can see, I flipped that short front part towards Clorox because I want more stain be on my front as on the back. Otherwise, you do need to do it both sides. You do it one side and then flip it over and put on another side. I will not do it. As you can see, changes coming right away, and it's yellowish. And I kind of dip it down with my hand, dip it down. And as you can see, changes coming right away. I'm not doing that to the very end, simply because I'm running out of space on this garden table, and it's fine. I like different things. I don't want things to be perfectly even. Or I like asymmetric stuff. No, well, that's what's going on so far. And well, it's changing up. I want to catch that time. I will wait until I don't want any whites coming up. A little bit of whites is okay, but I want kind of have that yellowish look, not really white look. No, well, that's what I'm looking for on my dye. And well, and then I'm running to the hose and grabbing my dry part of it, which is right here, because I have to throw out my gloves. And well, no, well, while we're waiting, I have to tell you what you really need to get to think not just about yourself, what's coming here, about garbage guy as well. No, well, do not throw out that in the garbage, because you know it's very poison, very hazardous. I'm very happy. Right now I'm wearing this N95 mask, which is, I told you where to get it. Click on that up. I will even put even in the end of this video, because it's that important when you work with Clorox to have good mask. I don't even smell that Clorox right now through this N95 mask. Maybe you cannot hear me well because I'm talking in a mask, but at least I'm not smelling Clorox. And well, it's changing, and I guess here was more. That's why it's coming more on the shoulder. It's fine with me. Like I said, I love my asymmetric stuff. Now, well, we will see what's going on. We will see what's going on, and depend what kind of cotton you have. I'm working with 100 cottons because I don't like to wear polyester. But if you have poly blend or you have light cotton, you don't have to wait as long as I will do. So far, for me it was about 3 minutes so far of waiting, and I will expect to have something like about 15 minutes most, and then I really have to wash it off and see what happened. Yeah, here is really coming yellowish right here, more yellowish, and that's exactly what I want. No, well, and again, I believe it's going through because what I'm watching from the back. I expect from the front it will be more bright colors. No, well, it's no reason to flip it over and do it again. Actually, it will be fine just like it is. And probably what I will do, of course, if I have a pair of extra gloves, but I don't, I probably will move. Let's be asymmetric. Like this corner will be completely, it can be my grabbing corner, can be completely dry, and this corner I will move it up and try to put right here on the Clorox as well. A little bit here. Will be more of that. Kind of in between grabbing, what I don't have to get my hands. See, you have to have extra gloves around you because, you know, I'm taping and I don't want to put Clorox on the phone. I have to take gloves off, and that's what I end up with. Well, if I will have at least something here going on the bottom, will be fine. Again, I always tell you in every video, don't sweat. Whenever you do, it will be different what you can buy in the store, and that's what we're after. We don't have to be to stand out of crowd. We don't have to be completely perfect. Nothing ever perfect, right? I keep forgetting stuff. No, well, that's why I name my channel Perfect Not Perfect Granny, because we all like that. None of us is perfect. And as soon as you learn that in life, no such a thing as a perfect woman, perfect man, perfect husband, perfect job, perfect wife, perfect kids, you will be better in life as soon as you learn that. And don't sweat about nothing, only about stuff which is really important in life. Okay, now well, let me wait and hose it up, and then I will show to you what I have it already finishing product. Alright guys, here I am. As you can see, I create so much messes by hosing off that t-shirt on metal chair. Well, my dog used to me being up to some crazy projects, but this time even he ran away like, mother, what you up to now? Well, anyway, how long I hose it off? Because as you can see, a lot of soap around. That's why I suggest you do outside. Don't create all these messes indoor, because shampoo involved. Because shampoo involved, that's why it's so much soap. Well, I got to the point when I'm staying right by it, and I don't smell Clorox anymore. That's what I got to this point, and now I'm gonna rinse it. Still make sure what is no Clorox left in those fibers. I'm gonna rinse it probably 3-4 times in the pot with dish soap liquid, and then throw in the washer. Hey guys, hand up in the shade, as you can see, because my washer is still busy. I'm washing my sheets now. Well, I just put it right here. And guess what? I can wear out, but I don't smell any Clorox from it, which is very good news, because I cannot stand that smell of Clorox. No, well, not bad at all. It's even wet, look, not bad. I kind of was after more yellowish, but I guess it depends on the field what you put under that Clorox, because in my case it was a dark burgundy. It's come up a little bit pinkish. If you do it on a navy, I will expect to be like a bluish gray under those stains under Clorox. If you do on a pure black or dark brown, if you do on a dark brown, I will expect the stains under marble will be orangey a little bit, or yellowish or orangey. If you do it on a pure black, I expect the stains will be like grayish under, and I kind of like it. Of course, that comb header did not work exactly on what I planned to be working, because why? Because I believe because of angle of my table. because and it has to be done very fast and very, very straight surface. My angle of my table, because everything on the hills, as you can see, we're living on the hills. We rent a little place for 17 years on these hills, and well, it's just everything leaning somewhere. And as much as I try to keep my little tables, garden tables and everything else straight, it's just everything leaning somewhere, because it's a moving California, sand, clay, always moving. And well, that's why I guess that comb blinds did not work, because they was only like 1/4 inch wide, and by the time what I flipped the t-shirt on it, the shampoo already glued together because of little angle. It's about 5 degrees, maybe 3 degrees even, but it was enough to close the slides. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up on that kind of pattern with something else, which is a lot more videos of dyeing coming. Subscribe, but you will not miss it. I will show to you how to, on a perfect straight table, I can achieve it, I guess. I'm not giving up. I still want to do that comb lines. No, well, not bad. And I always can add a number 3 color to it, because just 2 colors here practically, like pinkish and less burgundy and more burgundy, but a very fall color, very fall or Christmas color, but it's not like bright Christmas, right? No, well, it's kind of nice one, and for family gathering, for family barbecue, for living this through fall and winter season, not bad at all, and you don't have to pay too much money. Yes, hazardous, but you can even write with Clorox some kind of smiley face before you flip the t-shirt on, or you can do patterns, you realize it, right? And I love that idea to use shampoo with the Clorox. Why? Because it kills that Clorox smell. It's totally with mask. I did not smell it at all. It's mean I did not get any hazardous gases in my lungs. Well, that's kind of good idea. Well, I still have to wash it, and I'm sure you're gonna see finishing project. Hey guys, that's what's come up, and I think it's look pretty cool. It's not really pinkish, it's like a little bit beige pinkish, because I will not like too pinkish, but this is like not too much, not too much. As you can see, nice marble stains, and here is some drops out of it, and I guess I do have something left from that comb job right here a little bit, and kind of see a few lines going from my combing there. And kind of like it, as you can see, really marble, and just like I wanted, and pretty good. Back look about the same. No, well, it's not big difference between front and the back. Well, when it was wet, I was kind of thinking not enough action for crazy me. No, well, that's why I probably will put something on the top of it, like a reed dye, maybe black droppings from shoulder and down, just up to maybe just a little droppings there to make it more artsy. But after it's dry up, I kind of like it. I believe this season I gonna wear as it is, and well, if I want to put anything else on it, I always can do it, but I don't want to be busy with that until I finish all those dyeing other stuff videos, what I promised to you, like at least, I don't know, 10 of them coming. It's going to be at least a dozen of them all together. And by the way, a few of them already ready. Now, well, let's just continue what we're doing, different techniques. Right now, we're just talking about Clorox. I do have already made one video, another one with Clorox, how to dye with Clorox, and make pattern, and how to make pattern out of using Clorox. No, well, that's what we will be probably next, and then we're gonna start doing all this paint, read synthetic dye videos, and I will place also one video. I will place also one video about how I make those avocado skins and stones for natural avocado dye. No, well, we're kind of gonna mix synthetic dyes with natural dyes as soon as I'm done with my Clorox. No, well, that's practically one more video, and we will be done with techniques with Clorox, and then we will start any other ones. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. A lot more on the channel. Thank you for your time.